My people, Senegalese government don't suspend the signal of 2 private television stations, and now they don't cut off everything wey get to make people dey connect to social media. So right now, no social media, no chatting, nothing as they dey like this. And this thing dey happen because according to matter wey reach me, they say people don too dey focus on the protest wey dey go on, and the protest wey they dey talk about na because of one opposition leader, Usman Sonko. Abeg, make una forgive me, no be my language. Now they say the Sonko matter happen because in dey go one particular saloon where they massage am. Now allegations don come against am, say as him go receive massage, he carry another type of massage too. You understand that one? They say the man rape woman. No be small rape. They say he rape her. Abeg, forgive me, I no wan laugh sef. My people, right now as I dey talk to una, this Sonko man, according to him, to say he no do anything. Say all this way people dey talk na lies, and if they bring this case up because of President Macky Sall, he say this president, you don dey find ways since wey he go put her into trouble because e be like say this one too wan go contest for president. So this President Macky Sall no want make anybody go stand on him way as I dey talk to na this next election. This matter shock me, my people. It shocked me really hard because Senegal, when I dey think of Senegal, the thing they do me like, this country na one of the countries for this, you understand, for this Africa way, if you think they dey humble, they dey gentle, they know too, they like all this thing. But I don't know, say corruption matter they happen for Senegal. Hey, this blocking of internet and things, I think it's only Nigeria because the Nigerians still get big eye. I don't know say Senegal matter to do more corruption there everywhere. Last everywhere. Even those countries where we they see, where we they hype them, we they their own. If they uncover wetin they don't cover, una go dey shocked. At least are they happy, my people? Not be because of the fight or anything. Are they happy? Say at least country dey where they still they stand for their rights. So my people, Senegal, as una they see me like this, I they stand with una, and our prayers they with una because una need them seriously. This one we don't experience them before, so we know how they go. Una go need our prayers. No be our own way people die, where things happen. I just they hope say at least una own make people not just die. You understand? Very, very important because we know, we don't witness and we don't see. You understand? And now my people, when people complain of this what did they call them? Work on it. Don't suspend television. I beg, as soon as they complain, because Africa una too like they talk. Complain no be enough. Work on it. Wetin una don't do concerning this work, because I know say as this Senegal matter they happen, they get activists too. Abi, activists there everywhere. Human rights activists. Wetin their human rights activists they do concerning this matter? Because make it not just be saying only citizens they come out the fight. Una need get person way at least be una leader concerning this matter. Like Nigeria, just that it's so unfortunate say Nigeria own some of the people where we suppose they look up to, like the activist people. Them too, they don't even sell us out. Una suppose get people where this time they go they lead una, tell una okay make we do this one, because now if una dey alone now, it go dey easy for una to fall. Wait till they thought that thing. Together we stand, divided we fall. You understand? It is very, very important. And please, government, if you know say you don't get anything to hide, I know they say any reason why you go cancel social media, why you go off TV stations. Because definitely there's something there. If you don't get anything to hide, why you go they do it? And now matter even reach me on top this whole thing, say Sonko dey innocent. Many citizens don't they talk am. Because I just find my own investigation, you understand? So I confront different people. They talk say Sonko na good man. Now wait till they talk, I don't know. Say the president, that president Mali Abi Maksa, they say that man they very wicked. Say now in fact he like they command people around they do. You understand? So now my people, I don't they think two different things now. If it be said truly, they just gather all these allegations against this man so that this next election nobody go disturb this president. Wait till una think. Me, na my own be that. So I need know una own opinion because now Senegal they very hot and they need answers. Now why anything where you drop for that comment section, it go reach them. So make sure say you start a drop and there. Any solution where you feel say if we do this thing, it go help them. You understand? We don't go through and so we get more experience than them. So start a drop and for that comment section. And don't forget to share this video one more time. Share them so that those people there go hear our message. Very, very important. If you never subscribe, you know go dey get matters like this. So make sure say just click on that thing. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story. Human rights activist Omoyele Sowore, my people, this person where they talk about now, in fact, in list long, super long. For now, we don't know before he been get case with police, they be arrested before when they free and now so they talk to now serious matter they happen for court of law for Nigeria. And the fingers where they point and according to matter where reach me, they say now because he organized a candlelight procession and they charge him for criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, and what they call it, inciting public disturbance. Many things there against this person where they talk about. And according to the human rights activists now, into say because they see and they go they enter court with babalawo or more. If una see, if una see wetin, I mean put the picture of it, they start to see wetin they talk about. See how babalawo even dress. Court no be say they go one traditional party or something. They carry babalawo enter court say na him own this thing be that, and people come dey complain say how you go enter court with person wey dress like this. And according to Rami, come dey tell us say the babalawo him say no be babalawo, so him talk say the man no be babalawo, say make we stop dey call am babalawo, say na African man wey dress according to him belief. And the reason why he dress like that now because he want discourage people wey dey look down on African tradition. Abeg make my mouth no draw everything out, you understand? So I want make una see am with una own koro eyes. Join me, make we watch the video.
Every Nigerian can be represented in a court gallery, whether they are traditional priests, as you like to call them. And why would you call your own religion traditional when you call imported religions sophisticated or civilized? This is how we Africans undermine our own cultural beliefs and practices. So you see an African well-dressed in court expressing his religious rights and beliefs. You call him a herbalist. Is he wearing herbs on his head? Would you call somebody who is wearing a cassock a herbalist? Would you call somebody who is carrying a rosary and wearing a toupee on his head a herbalist? So this person here is a supporter of the movement.
Yay! Naija for life. When you think so you don't see everything, boom, season 2 go just appear. Nigeria. Oh, I go talk to who be the owner of Netflix. I need talk to her so that they go carry the whole country as one. Boom, put her for there. Oh boy, inside court. So already don't carry. In fact, you don't carry African insurance enter court. DSS operative they japa. Even judge himself. Judge come and join the case for another time, like because my people, if na you no go run. Just say abeg go this case we go leave am for another day because as e be now, e be like say he himself he confused. So I no go keep person, my people. You no go he lost for this place. This one as I dey see am, like my mind just dey go for Sunday Igboho. E be like say Sunday Igboho na this man uncle. Because they the same steps, the same thing. This one na wetin we dey call spiritual ginger. Spiritual ginger, no be small thing. No, na just wahala dey. Na wetin sweet for all these government people. E sweet for una. Na wetin fit una be this. I no even know say una fit fear just cloth wey person wear. Una dey fear. Una never say anything. No. Una never even start. Nothing wrong, my people. See, everybody get their own religion. Everybody get their own belief. So tomorrow, if you decide to come outside based on your own traditional wear, wear. You understand? I know they support anybody. I tell you na this thing before. But if you wan come out, if your tradition they tell you say you go carry broom for head, ngwanu they carry and they go na. See na everybody don dey fear, everybody don dey run. Sunday Igboho don prove to these people say na voodoo they need. Be like say na wetin transfer because I dey sure say this Sowore don call Sunday say bros how far na I get this thing wetin you think say I go do. Sunday gon give am the idea because this thing wey happen in fact everybody e stunt the crowd. Nobody expected it. Imagine just enter and this person wey we dey even dey talk about the last time wey I hear him matter he carry bible now you come you say na juju man. The next one wey go happen wetin you go carry? Hey I just dey imagine if they call juju man now start dey question am. You understand? You know that thing wey they do for court of law where they go say put your hand on your right hand here and repeat after me. Omo na be say they no go fit use bible for am. Wetin they go use? Nigeria na cruise. If you no dey Nigeria, I don't know where you dey, but you dey miss big time. All these things wey dey shele, you dey miss am. My people, now for here una go still get the updates. Whether they arrest am, wetin they talk, why they, you understand many things because as the judge don adjourn this case, the next one wey go happen you go miss am. Now why una need subscribe because una go dey miss all these things. You understand? So start dey drop those comments for the comment section and make sure say you share this video. They very important. Stay tuned for our next story.